So the other day I was pairing a watch and I was trying to get it so that there was a separate number that would work on its own with the watch. And the person I was using it with had their own plan that was different from what we were trying to get on the watch. They had Verizon and the watch was trying to get T-Mobile. So while I was doing that, it wasn't working. So if when you're normally pairing a watch, you can see it here, you connect to your watch with your phone and you set pair as myself. Now, when I was doing that, it wouldn't work at all, and there was no way that you can get around it to make it so that the number would work, because it would try to connect to Verizon. So what you have to do is you make a separate account just for the watch, a standalone identity for the watch, and you can connect it to your Apple account if you'd like, but it needs to have a separate account that you set up as a family member when you're going through the setup process. And what that'll allow you to do is, if you're connected to Wi-Fi on the watch, you can connect to the cellular network that you're trying to get on your watch. When it wasn't working, we did this and we noticed you can set up as a family member, and as long as you're on Wi-Fi, connect, and then it'll set up your line on your watch and it'll be separate from what you're using on your phone. It'll have its own thing. It works as a standalone watch line, and it gets around it so that you can use it as basically another phone. So if you're having the same problem as we did, just make sure you make a separate account for the watch and you'll be able to get a standalone line on that said watch without having to connect your phone specific phone line. So I hope that works. I hope that helped. I just want to share that with you guys real quick because it was a problem I was having. And that's all for now. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.